Yeah, I'd say that's pretty bright.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to AutoHeads. Thanks for checking out the channel. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and click that bell notification button to get updates on when new videos are released. And if you end up liking the video, please hit that like button. It really helps this video be seen by others. I'm really excited for this install. Let's show you what I'm doing here. The Lasfit LED switchbacks. And these are really cool because it's kind of like a 2-in-1 fog light. Not only do they give a really crisp, bright white light, but when you turn them on and off, it switches over to a yellow light, which is actually better for being able to see in snow and rain. If you notice, you probably see it on like the rally car races and stuff. They don't typically have those white lights in bad weather. In bad weather, you actually want like a yellow light because it's less reflective. I'm really excited for this one. I love Lasfit. They're a really great company. And yeah, so let's get into it. All right, so here's the packaging for the Lasfit LED switchbacks. Their packaging is really, really nice. Comes with a couple little stickers here. Product manual. They always have really nice, colorful, step-by-step photos. Here are the LEDs themselves. If you look closely, you can actually see that you have one amber and one white on both sides. These are really cool. It's really awesome to have an amber light and a bright white fog light all in one unit. So there's a little assembly required here. This is just a little, they call it a CAN bus. It's like a little computer chip, and it just regulates the electricity going in. But very easy, so we'll just take these pins, line them up. Really nice weather tight seal here. Screw this all the way in. And we'll do the same to the other side. Just kind of wanted to show the attention to detail this company does to all of their products. Really, really cool designs. You can even see like the little fan in here. But yeah, I just can't say enough about this company. It's really, really cool. All right, so here is the fog light location. To get this out, you just kind of push up on the whole unit here. Tilts it about 90 degrees. And then just pull out, and the whole assembly comes out. There's just one little tab that's holding the assembly together. Just kind of pull up on it, give it a little shake, pull, and the old LED will come out. All right, so now we're gonna put the Lasfit LED in here. Let's see, it's going to be kind of tight because this is a little bigger, but should be able to manage. All right, so this bulb is a little bigger, so there's a technique to putting this in. You have to kind of go up and over this first with the bulb. So don't even try to put it in to the socket until you go up and above this little cross member here. And once you go up and above, you can kind of tuck it in. I haven't twisted it in yet, but you can see the position of the wire there. That's kind of like the angle you want to be at before you turn it 90 degrees down. All right. So I know I'm kind of over explaining things here, but these little tips I feel like can be really helpful. All right, so I'm gonna hang up this little module here by taking, I have a little zip tie. I'm gonna feed it through a little headlight adjuster. And I know it's gonna be hard to see, but I'm gonna feed it through here. Alright, then I'm just going to take this zip tie and then cinch this up here. I'm just going to have it kind of hanging right here. I just didn't want to have it touching the ground or touching this plastic piece here, so I'm just going to suspend it in this little this spring. Alright, so we got this little CAN bus thing kind of just zip tied to this, the bottom of this spring. It's out of the way, but I just wanted to keep it suspended, and then we're just going to make the connection here. Make sure it's connected on both sides. Looks good. Alright, now let's test it out. Alright, so I plugged this in and it actually didn't work right away, so I had to flip this around and plug it in again. I think the correct word is it's not, the polarity is different. So there is a correct and incorrect way to plug this in. So if you plug it in, it doesn't work, just flip it around and plug it back in again and it should power up. It's crazy. You can actually hear, this thing looks so cool, you can actually hear the fan whizzing. Pretty cool. Alright, so now I'm just on the passenger side. I'm doing the exact same thing. If you see that little spring, that's where I'm gonna hang the focuses. That's where I'm gonna hang the zip tie. I'm gonna wrap that zip tie on the bottom and hang that little module. And then, like I said before, twist this counterclockwise, pull it out, put the new bulb in, and we should be good to go.
Just wanted to share a quick little tip. On the passenger side, there's less wiring harness to play with, so instead of just turning the whole unit counterclockwise like I did on the other side with the wiring harness attached, all I did was just I unplugged the wiring harness. You can see that little blue clip. I just unplugged that, and that just got the wiring harness out of the way so I could remove the light bulb a little easier. But either way, it's just a little easier for to work with that wiring harness out of the way. On the passenger side, at least, that was the case.
All right, so the bulbs are in. Let's give it a check. All right, so we got top on. All right, so it's pretty early in the evening. It's only about 4 o'clock, but these are super, super bright. I didn't do a comparison because I already had aftermarket LEDs for the fog lights, but I can tell you they are significantly brighter. It's a really nice white. It's kind of like that, it's not blue, but it's just nice. Really, really crisp white. All right, now let's try the switchback function. All you do is turn your fog light off and then back on again, and we should have yellow. Yeah, I can already tell. Wow. That's quite a bit brighter than I thought. It is yellow, yellow too. Very nice, very bright. That's gonna cut through fog and rain really nicely. Gonna give you some nice visibility. Super, super bright. But yeah, we'll get some night shots here in a second. All right, I just wanted to make sure I showed what these lights look like at different times of the day. When I first put them on, it was about 3 o'clock. Right here, it's around 5:30. I'm just going through the different, going through the switchback functions here. White to yellow, white to yellow. Still pretty bright out. Now I'm just using this Connex box to show, just to show what it looks like against a surface. Still, it's about 5:45, not quite 6 yet. And
it's getting a little dark. You can see the yellows really starting to show up. Looks badass. Really, really bright. And I just wanted to cast it against this house. You can kind of see the depth and how bright these lights are. It completely illuminates everything, and the yellow does a great job too. Alright, so now I'm on a dark road. These things, and right here, it's ridiculous. It looks like I don't even have my lights on. When I put these fog lights on, it completely lights up the entire road. I'd be careful using these, like on the highway or something. These are like much brighter than normal fog lights, so you could probably blind someone pretty good. So just be careful. They're definitely powerful. Just kind of showing the beams. It's almost hitting that stop sign down there. The yellow's almost up there with the brightness of the whites. They go quite a distance, but they look awesome. Super happy. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Lasfit killed it again. These are incredible, very innovative, super bright. The yellow is crazy bright. The regular white is crazy bright. If you guys want to pick these up, I put a link in the description of the video. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you like today's video, do me a favor and just take a second to click that like button. It really helps this video get out to other people, so I don't get buried under all the massive YouTubers out there. Take care, guys. See you next time.